Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to manage your integration in QuickBooks Online. So it's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the admin dashboard, you will find integration icon in the top right corner here. You will find it in this one. You can click on it, and then you can click manage integration. So you will see all of your integration here. So this is all of my integration. I have three integration. So I'm using demo account here, so it says we couldn't load your task, but yeah, this is just for example, and they asked me to reconnect each of them, but we're gonna ignore them. And then in order to manage, you can just, so let's say it's disconnected, you can just click reconnect to reconnect it. Or if you want to disconnect any of this integration, you can just click the three dots here. And then you can click disconnect, and then it will be disconnected. Or if you want to pin to list, you can just click three dots and you will find pin to list. And if you want to see the support, you can just click support here. This is how to manage your integration, and there will be tasks here if you are using a real account, so you can try or do your task and finish your task. And yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.